God damn, someone finally asked a question. Okay, these particular panels I bought off Facebook Marketplace. A guy had a whole bunch of them. I got 12 of them for roughly about $900. These panels I bought brand new off a place called Missouri Wind and Solar. Now, I'm not promoting Missouri Wind and Solar. I'm not getting paid by them, but I do love their company. You should go check them out. The racking I actually built out of treated 2x4s and 2x6s and 4x4 posts that are all cemented into the ground, so it's not going anywhere. And I calculated the tilt so it's for summer sun, whereas I got these guys set up for winter sun. Then I've got all the wiring buried underground, and it comes up out of the ground here. I gotta fix that, don't judge too much. And it plugs in directly. Well, it plugs into my breakers and then goes into my charge controller. Those controllers then plug into my battery bank. Now I've got 8 6-volt batteries tied in. 4 are tied together to make 24, so I got 2 24 banks here. Then the power comes back over into my GoPower 3000 watt pure sine wave inverter that powers the whole entire house. So after all that, with all the panels, the wood, the wiring, the inverter, I've got roughly about $5,000 in my solar system. So if you have $5,000 just sitting there burning a hole in your pocket, you too can set up your own off-grid solar system and not have to pay the power company in over 10 years. But anyway, I hope that helped you out a little bit.